it's the new birth. I feel like this star has a lot of meaning. Hey everybody, welcome back to my vlog. It has been a little slow start today to filming, but I went to church and now just up taking more photos, so I'm kind of excited about that. But I'm so tired, and that's okay. It's going to rain, right? Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna take some photos here. I found a cool river, and so I think that will be fun to take photos with. But I really want to search some really beautiful pine trees with snow covering on them at Provo Canyon, and I just cannot find a good place to pull over and take with them. So I have some possibilities, but yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna fall asleep here. Just kidding. Alright, I'm gonna go in and do this.
Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane.
Okay, you guys, I know the water is very loud here. I've gotten quite a few pictures, got a lot of stuff, done having some fun here. But, oh, also, I forgot to show you. I did find some pine trees, so I'm probably gonna hike a little that way so we can get more of them, because I want a picture closer to them. I don't think you heard any of that. I'm sorry. I said I'm gonna walk a little closer to them and see if I can find more to take photos with. So yeah, it's pretty cold, I have to admit, but it's actually really pretty and not too bad. So it's really nice up here. I wish I had gloves because then I could do some throwing snow, but yeah. Yep, not doing that. Because I didn't have any gloves in my car and I took my ones that are in there out. You guys, yeah, I combined 2 vlogs again. I'm kind of catching up to all the Christmas stuff. So, oh, I thought it was so cool. So the star of Bethlehem was today. So I got to see that. That was really cool. I hope you guys got to see that. I got some videos, so I'll put that into it, but I don't think it was very good. Maybe it was. But, and then I had to go shopping because I got a bunch of stuff for smoothies, which I need to make a bunch of smoothies. I like to make a lot because they're healthy, and then I drink one every single morning. Sorry, I've had another headache today. But I want to talk a little bit more the star of Bethlehem. So when it came, first time in history that we know of, it was for Christ's birth, and it shone above him as a sign. And I think it's just really cool because this year I feel like it's been a new rebirth for many people. I know for me, there's been a lot of bad stuff, but also a lot of good stuff, and I've learned a lot and I've grown a lot as a person and become a lot better, I feel like. And it's just been overall just a big learning experience to become who I am, and I just feel like it's the new birth. I feel like this star has a lot of meaning, and I think we'll look back and we'll really see it. But I just say look around and see, instead of seeing what's everything that's gone wrong this year, it's what everything has gone right, and go from there. So it'll be really good, and you can be able to see what blessings you had in your life. I'm really excited. It's been a fun Vlogmas experience. I know I feel a little burned out, but I'm glad that I'm able to do this, and I have a lot of really fun plans coming, a lot of big stuff. So even after Vlogmas, please continue to keep watching because there's a lot of fun stuff that will be happening. But we're not done with that Vlogmas yet, so it's alright. But I am going to end this vlog and head off to bed so I can sleep off this headache. But I hope you have a great day. Great night. Bye. I love you.